Oh, yeah, maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. I said, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind.
And then
The queen's a
time to go home. Okay. Hi guys. So mamaya, a-attend, ay hindi naman a-attend, isa-surprise namin yung friend namin. Kasi, ang banas, 18th birthday niya. And then kakain kami sa labas. So syempre, 18th birthday special. That's my gift. Yan. Ito yung gift ko kasi, ano siya, NCT fan. Yan. And then, ang cute, pwedeng isabit sa bag. And ano, san. Ayan. Gagawa pa ako ng letter. Tapos dun ko ilalagay ito. Gagawa pati ako ng envelope. Ang problema ko, wala pa akong susuotin mamaya. So, titingin pa ako. And then, titingin pa pala ako mamaya sa Mr. DIY ng sash. And, ayun lang. So, samahan niya ako. Magsalita ka naman. Nakakaya ka na. We're on our way sa Mega. Kasi bibili siya ng pangbalot ng gift. Then,
Happy birthday, Precious.
and then dediretso kami sa sa restaurant. Then ayun.
Sulit yan.
Babalot po siya ng gift.
Wine.
O, tamo, kasyang-kasya pala.
It's perfect.
Yung technique ko. Pakita mo. Pakita mo.
Maganda.
Hilahin mo. Sige, hilahin mo. Sige pa. Diba? Ang Roblox. Closed. Ay, may harang pa nga iyo. Anong gagawin na? Sabi na kasi mag-message. Walang nag-message. Mag-message tayo sa kanila. Sa Magnolia tayo, ganun. Saan?
Yung yung daan, sa diners kineme. Yung pumunta tayo yung sarado.
Saan?
Yung may
Dun
pick-up ka
yun,
na.
dun yun. Bukas pa yun. Mag-message muna tayo sa kanila. Kasi anong oras na? Ready na. Naayos ko. Dito na siya. Here's the cake.
Ang ganda ng
NCT Dream inspired. Precious. Hello, 18. Siya sa flowers. Siya sa cake. Ako sa sash.
Mamaya na. Si Tina sunan.
Ay, sa'yo na!
Akala ko ako na.
Ay, ba't tayo mag-live? Ikaw na, kaya mo. Ako magbibidyo. Wait lang, baka mabasunog agad. Ano ba? Dapat ihunin nila si Precious. Happy birthday! Ay, suot mo! Wait lang! Isuot mo
Wait
na
lang.
yun!
Thank you guys. Flowers. Grabe.
Picturean niya. Nag-wish ka na ba?
Yes. Thank you.
Birthday! Ibigay niyo yung cake.
Tahan ka, baka gumaya ka sa mga
Tingnan mo yung design, no? Tingnan mo yung design.
Oy, ang cute. Thank you.
Wait lang, may picture na natin.
Benign at yung singer.
Benign yan yung yung harmless na
Kasi at yung pumunta ng urong sulo.
Ano? Ano?
At yung pumunta ng urong sulo. Yung Benign.
Hindi ko alam.
Mas maganda joke.
Si Binene.
Mas maganda joke. Oy, sige.
Oy, bayad. Magkalimutan tayo.
Corny ng joke. Yung birthday girl ko.
And it's a perfume. Oh my God. Iyan mag spray this.
Oh, yan o.
Ano yung muna? Mark, maayos na to. Sige, tara. Totoo? Inumin ba natin? Cajun yan. Akala ko naman totoo. Di ba parang disappointed ka? I have tayong nagay. The big one. Yan.
Akin yan.
Ay, hindi sa'yo.
Akin yan.
Thank you, Ray. I love you. Ano yan, ganyan? Ang cute ang pogi ni Ranjon. God, ang cute, Ray. Ilalagay ko sa bag ko.
Next na.
Ellie. Sorry, Ellie. Oh my God.
Yes. Good
Kay Ian na. Oh my God. Wow. Boy, may pag na ako.
Nandito na food ng lahat.
Where's Biel? Where are you?
Ah. Ba't ganun itsura mo kaya?
Ayun. Kompleto na ako si Bernal.
Yan, nagpapaalam pa ako. Game.
The food. Umorder. The food. Talaga yung umorder. Umorder. Clarity. The food. Umorder. The food. The food.
Ano ka sa
Food. The snack. Ang birthday. The food. Ang nanghiram ng pera.
Ang dessert. Ulitin mo yan. Ulitin mo yan. Ulitin mo yan.
The food. The dessert.
It was years ago, but I can never forget. We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Jumped out of life in a big town. Skyscrapers and neon lights. You still think I'll be
Early, nagbalik ka na.
Namamroblema sila sa bill. What? Namamroblema sila sa bill. Me? Us? Chill girls. Chill girls.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Ano ba naman yan?
Bye. Bye.
Bumalik.
Ano mo naman yung mga gifts mo doon?
Feel ko naiwan niya phone niya.
Andun.
Oh.
Ay, no. Inatrasa na tayo.
Yung cake. David, bitin na lang. Bye, guys. Oh, tayo? Paano tayo?
Si Kirshen.
Umuna na. Kasabay ni Erich.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Oh, show me what you can do.
Hindi, baka pag
How is
ano,
Lasal?
baka pag STEM okay pa.
Alam mo, hindi
Ay, ang
kami,
pogi
ano
po
eh,
ng waiter.
Hindi kami, yung mga, like,
Way my hands feel on your body. We were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body. We were moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady. secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place.
Napakabagal.
Kunwari.
Kunwari. O yan. 1, 2, 3, go. Go, diretso yan. Second to the last bite. Ano ba to? Sa'yo.
Sige yan. Bibidyoin ko nga namin last bite.
Okay. Bigay mo last bite. Last bite. Tapos uminom ka after. Wala, naulikot na siya. Kape. Suma.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks.
Naulan. Ay, di ba?
Tapos si Justin lahat ng mga sarap ang hindi kasi nga meron binabantayan. Siguro parang binabantayan na meron dumating.
Akala ko naman eh.
Tapos parang
Kailan may edit yan? Tatry ko bukas. Or mama. Hindi ko alam kailan malapit ka na may para.
And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did.
Wala. Ay, ikaw may LDA. Uy, natin. Hindi. Okay na.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't